For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. FNB Stadium, ngolwesithathu ezinsukwini. Mamelodi Sundowns have just beaten Orlando Pirates kumdlalo we-Betway Premiership by 2-1. Sundowns are still in second position, but they've just reduced that gap between bona and Orlando Pirates from 6 points to 3 points. Sundowns still have that game in hand abazayidlala next week against AmaZulu. Mdlalo obalulekile for Sundowns, making sure ukuthi they close that gap from 3 to 0. Namhlanje Sundowns 2, Pirates 1. Bobzini. Bungancibanga kanje ufike kwethafa.
Phela ngisemsebenzini manje Shane.
Nami ngisemsebenzini.
Yeah, but Shane uzawuthini mngani wami?
How are you feeling?
No, Shane ngiright mngani wami. Ngabuza kuwe Prime.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
No, ngiyajabula ma right Shane. Ithi ngibulise uJusto, ngibulise uShane, ngibulise Mr Nkewu, ngibulise noTso. Yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane.
Yeah.
Into nje engayisho ukuthi le FNB inama quick goal. Yakhumbula last season uMaurele aceda abantu la FNB. Amagoli angene fast. Beka namanje goal yangena 37 minutes, enye yangena 41 minutes. Different is 4 minutes. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi cishe lo mdlalo ufane nawa last season Shane. The way ngibone kudlalwe ngakhona mngani wami.
Ubone njalo umdlalo overall nje.
Yeah, Shane.
Yeah.
Yeah, ithi ngicale ngelicembu leOrlando Pirates. I think Orlando Pirates Shane, they started very well. The different is iPirates azange thatha ama chances. Iwatholile ama chances, especially the igame mayicala izo yohlanganisa 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Orlando Pirates was the only team maybe promise ukuthi they can score at any time. Mamelodi Sundowns was not a threat to Orlando Pirates with the first minute until 35 minutes mawungabheka. Mamelodi Sundowns they just circulate ibhola ehafini yayo ibuye mhlawumbe ifuna ungena ehafini Orlando Pirates, but Orlando Pirates izama ukuba press ababiyele move bengasi threats, bengasi i-team engicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ingalithola ligoli noma ngabe kunini. But remember Shane, the more i-team efana neOrlando Pirates ilogo inokha ithola lawo ma chances abombothuma bawa miss lawo ma chances, ukhumbule ukuthi i-defense Orlando Pirates benganamsebenzi omningi kakhulu. Izoba relax at the end of the day, bazoyibamba ekugcineni, because the more attack ukhumbule ukuthi uzoyilose shape at the back. You understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates Shane bekuyi team ebekumele ngabe ikore ecala uma ngathi ubheka le game the way ngakhona. So Mamelodi Sundowns they took ama chances wabo Shane. The 2 chances abayitholile kuleya first half bayisebenzisile. Umdlalo ofana no Brian Leon Shane. Uma ungabheka the way lamagoli angene ngakhona, ball rotation uyibheke bathathi Orlando Pirates bayimuvela ka right. Onke lamabhola mawungathi uyabheka bathathi ibhola bayalinokha balimuvela ka right. Ungabheka le build up uma idlala icala ngale right kubadlala abafana nabo Khuliso Mtawu. Yabuya izojoyina abo Jaden nabo Ndamani bese iphelela kubo Aubrey Mdiba. Or else kununo ula kuleli side. You understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bebazama ukuyishift iPirates ukuthi izame ukuthi the more banokhala la bhola Shane bazama ukuthi kube ne shifting kule team eOrlando Pirates so that bakwazi ukuthola lama spaces, because mawungabheka onke lama goal Pirates ishiyile space behind. You understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi poor defense kuOrlando Pirates kulawo ma goal, and also give credit kumdlalo ofana no Leon Shane. Wire striker Shane sikhulumile ngalomdlalo last week ukuthi istrike esimobile esidynamic eboxing it's difficult ukudeal nalo yamdlali, because uzothi ungapha next time ungapha and uyazi ukuthi ukuphi kumele ngiranele lapho. Also give credit badlala abafana nabo abonuno ukuthi bakwazi ukumthola ukuthi ukuphi. But the team eOrlando Pirates the way ngibone ngakhona Shane bezama ukuya kuleli side la iMamelodi Sundowns ioverload ekhona kakhulu. Orlando Pirates ifuna ukuya kulela side la kaMtawu. La khona sibona badropile umdlalo ofana nomrena. Uoverload kulela side kuze ukuthi uMtawu akwazi ukudila nabadlali abafana nabo Real uma ngabe bakhatha in. Azama ukuthi akhathe in bese wenza nomrena uyahamba uyovala lesa space la khona uHoto kumele asebenzise khona kuzotholakala kunomrena kulesa space. So iOrlando Pirates bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe if beyikwazile ukuthi ifunele la side like Aubrey, because Aubrey was the one who because at overlap most of the time, because ngapha bebenzeni bebadrophe lo mdlalo ofana noKhuliso ukuthi angakhuphuki umdlalo ofana noAubrey. So kumele usebenzise lesa space. Most of the time i-Orlando Pirates uma ibitha i-Sundowns or iscora iMamelodi Sundowns, they use lesa space saka Aubrey ukuthi u-Aubrey bamazi ukuthi once u-Aubrey wazama ukukhuphuka sawina ibhola siyosebenzisa lesa space saka Aubrey. Unfortunately namhlanje bafuna ukusebenzisa isite ele wrong la khona kunomdawu kunomreni abadlali abane pace, that is why ubona bo really bangafunction ba end up bangena phakathi la khona bayithola bo Debs nabo Jaden. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi for me Orlando Pirates ngilasheni bengicabanga ukuthi ngabe isebenze khona, and also nemidlalo ofana nongwana sesi ngiyacabanga bomdinga lapha Shane. Umbuthuma ngicabanga ukuthi bamnika isilo isikhathi esiningi kakhulu Shane. Bomdinga uMakhupa lapha because you know ukuthi Makhupa can press. I know ukuthi it's dangerous ukupressa i-team efana neMamelodi Sundowns, but khumbula ukuthi most of the time when they press babuya bazojoyina. Unfortunately nomdlalo ofana nombatha Shane nemtatshela umbonile igame ukuthi ayizange imshayile Shane, imshayile le game akazange abonise umdlalo ukuthi ukhona yini kule double pivot yakhe banomakhawulo ukuthi he can assist maybe ukujoyina umdlalo ofana noTito, you understand. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates Shane idlale kahle second half ukuthi ithole early goal. When they come back second half into kumele uyenze if we are 2-0 down Shane ukuthola early goal so that ukwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala now. So they did very well ukuthola la goal. Ubonile beba pressure kulela side la Police la ngale kumdiba bebazama ukuthi bapush. So kusho kona ukuthi ucoach ubatshelile ukuthi guys let's thole early goal before 10 minutes or 15 minutes so sikwazi ukubuya egamini. Babuyile egamini. Unfortunately Shane unabadlali njengoba ngikutshela kuMamelodi Sundowns aba understandayo ukuthi ipressure mangabe ingakithi. Look at uJaden no Debs, they played banama yellow card and bakwazile ukuceda le game. So kusho kona ukuthi sometimes idiscipline yalabo abadlali ibancede kakhulu because Orlando Pirates beyifika ingqongqoza but ayizange ithole mhlawumbe emidlalo ngahle Shane abe ifinisher kubo. They got ama chances Orlando Pirates but abakwazi bawasebenzise today. If bebanga bawasebenzisile lawo ama chances mhlawumbe ngabe sikhuluma namhlanje le game ngenye indlela Shane.
Do you think that has a difference kumdlalo namhlanje ukuthi omnye akhange wasebenzisa amathuba wakhe because onobala chances that Pirates had namhlanje when I look at the shots on target they had about I think 5 shots on target. Sundowns first half they had 2, second half there was a shot on target kaTebza, there was he had Agandamane, that's 4 if ikhona ndikhumbule engayikhumbule. So do you think the difference kule mdlalo namhlanje that omnye akhange wasebenzisa amathuba wakhe and omnye wafaka emnatheni?
Yeah, Orlando Pirates azange wasebenzisa amathuba awo Shane. Sundowns kulama chances ewatholile ukwazile ukuvalela amathuba awu2 because ungabheka le chance le goal Pirates ikore ngalo it was not a chance, it was a half chance because uTito it was by interceptile le bola bekungasi mhlawumbe uzothi ibhola ongathi belingakora ngicabanga bese bamblockile umdlalo ofana noTito bekathatha ishot on target, but uma ungabheka la bekumele ikore khona Orlando Pirates ayizange ikore. So Shane, let's give credit ku coach Miguel Cardoso, the technical team. I think coach after qualifying kuma quarterfinals we-CAF Champions League siyambona manje uyaphuma away uyodlala neqembu le-Orlando Pirates ubuya ne3 points. Coach engimbona abonakala under pressure kule Betway kumanje ukuthi ayijwayele iSundowns ukuba kule position, but he managed ukuthi ayo collector. Shane uma ufuna uwin league bangakukhohlisi Shane abantu bathi no thina sidingi iwin uma ngabe ukuthi sidle mhlawumbe iPirates or iMamelodi Sundowns. It depend ukuthi ucompete nobani. Beater lo muntu ocompete naye. The more beater lo muntu ocompete naye uwazi kahle ukuthi ngidropile ama point. You understand? But failing to beat lo muntu ocompete naye ufuna shaya lo bani lo muntu because uhlula wena. You understand? If you are failing wena ukudla lo muntu ocompete naye ufuna enye team izokudlela yena, the answer is no. You understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi we must give credit ku Miguel Cardoso Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma ungabheka lento ibe training Shane. Le uOpre ayenze last ku CAF Champions League nalento ayenze namhlanje. Umbheki uyamfuna uLeon. They know ukuthi lento ibe from ejimini ukuthi okay ngiyazi ukuthi uma ngabe ngila kule position ngizokhipha ugoalkeeper epalini, ngizobheka ibhola phakathi kwe defense no goalkeeper. Umdlalo ofana no Leon uyu umuntu ozoranela lapho because ubonile umdlalo ofana no CM ulimistile la bhola. And people will blame umuntu ofana nobani noSibisi. Why uSibisi? Goal number 1 ne? Goal number 2 he's far. Umdlalo ofana ngabe clear la bhola uCM unfortunately naye akazange ambone uLeon uye ngokuvela nje lapha. That is why ngithi sometimes umdlali ofana naleyo dynamic kunzima ukuthi umakhe because uvele savela and ulimistile ibhola umdlalo ofana nobani noSiyema. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns Jaden Adams wena Shane ay angazi man eyona le hole engene lapha eTlorkopi ingenye indlela Shane ukungena nje labafana bagunde uyabona ukuthi ngathi kukhona mehluko khona bheka le Chiscope uthi yenzana lapho kuJaden jo they understand ukuthi uJaden ngimazi akanje just ulekha kuphela uma ngabe mhlawumbe ngifuna uma sithenke uhlala isho lento ngiyamthanda uJaden man next to the box but lama game afana nalawo you don't just attack because you know no number 10 ufana noNuno umuntu ozo operate kulesa space so ngiyacabanga ukuthi siyanikeza credit man abo Opremodiba the way badlale ngakhona I defense eMamelodi Sundowns ngiyacabanga ukuthi the understanding kundamani nemidlalo ofana no Kekane ngiyacabanga ukuthi ibancede kakhulu but yazi right back eMamelodi Sundowns Shane omunye umdlali ngicabanga ukuthi udlala indima enkulu kakhulu ukuclose down umdlalo ofana noReal uReal umdlalo uthola ama man of the match kay 3 in a row uyabuya manje uthola igame enzima efana nayo eMamelodi Sundowns la khona nginabadlali abafana nabo Mtawu it's not easy Shane uma umdlambe ufaceane nabadlali abafana nalaba so let's give credit man ku coach Cardoso Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi badlala kahle kakhulu team eMamelodi Sundowns especially uma ngabe uthola ama chances udlala neOrlando Pirates warebe lawo ama chances enye into Shane ngifuna ukuyivala ngayo kunemdlali introduceile abantu ofana nomthiba omunye umuntu angahlala nga understand mina the way ngibone ucoach aletha ngakhona okay uletha umdlalo ofana noAlende uletha umshishi to manage the game because we are leader nga 2-1 and uyabona manje ukuthi Pirates izofuna ukwenzani ukubuya kuwe then the only thing ukuthi sizama ukusurvive asibancisha ibhola then sikwazi ukuba frustrator si manage le game but uletha umthiba why letha umthiba I think akafuni ukuthi amove lapha eboxini so that bakwazi abosibisi the two center back ukuthi imgade and uma imgada so i2 center back khumbula ukuthi angeke wonke ama full back afuna ukukhuphuka because kunalomdlali olapha so ngiyacabanga ukuthi if beka lethu ushasha bekazo drop the more drop ubiye center you allow yonke defense Orlando Pirates ukuthi buye then bakwazi ukuni attack but uma nomdlalo okwazi ukuthi umdlalo ozimakhisayo always ongasuki eboxini okay usharp because wenzela ukuthi bangamove laba abadlali laba because if beka lethu ushasha ngendlela ngisho ngakhona ushasha bekazoyenzana bekazofuna ukuzodefend bekazofuna ukuzopressa the way pressa ngakhona bese baba break badlale under pressure so give credit ku Miguel Cardoso ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane wenza umsebenzi omuhle so far uma ungabheka ukubitha licembu leOrlando Pirates kule season u34 point ku Orlando Pirates ina 1 point ku Mamelodi Sundowns.
Was that all?
Angazi Shane khona excel we play draw away Eloftas iyabuya iSundowns izobitha Orlando Pirates FNB khona kunye.
These are the only 2 games we played this season.
Oh Shane Orlando Pirates
Okay, let's
iwinile
close
kuma
it.
penalty
Let's close
no
it.
Shane
Let's close it. Let's close it.
bengikhulumela for
Okay,
ileague
okay.
angizokhuluma ngeleague game
Okay.
nana lo ngiyaxolisa mna
Okay. All right, let's just close it. Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I mean, Orlando Pirates 1. Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Mdlalo Betway Premiership FNB Stadium. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
All abafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.